Hey guys, Angus here from AussieTimberAnTinker. Just going to quickly do a short little video. I've had problems with the coil, I believe, because once it gets hot, you try to start it, won't start, there's no spark. And also, I just don't like the limiter. It's irritating as crap. So I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer and we'll just get straight into it, especially because it's a bit late. I'm not wearing my watch. I'll be doing a thing on that. Possibly. I've got to see whether I can get the parts and whether I can get everything else sorted with it. But yes, so this is just a 272 XP coil. So it should work by all accounts, but we'll see how we go. So yeah, I'll chuck that in and see how it goes. Right. There we go. By the way, sorry if this comes out late, guys. I had a bit of a thing. What do you call it? End of the week. So I'm actually doing this at like 8 something Sunday night. So yeah. Just in a little bit of pain, so, but it's come down just enough where it's bearable, so thought I'd better come out here and do this after being basically a couch potato all weekend. Come on, buggy. Right, there we go. Okay, just sit that there for a minute. I didn't think about shim. Well, feeler gauges, I don't even feeler gauges. I don't know how this is going to go. Probably not great, but we'll see. Right. Alright, I might just run and grab a Coke can, because that's going to be about the thinnest thing that I can think of that interesting. How much shorter is that? Ooh. Damn it, it's a sealed unit too, isn't it? Yeah. Not cool, man. I'm sure we can get that up into there. Oh, shit, yeah. Yeah, we'll make that work, happily. Right. Jeez, that thing is big. That's so cool. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys, go get a can, sort this out. So just for now, I figured out a sort of minimum. Coke can folded, well, a piece of Coke can folded in half. Seems to be about the right distance. We can always adjust to suit. You're going to be a bugger, aren't you? Yeah, that's not very tight. That on there was a bit tighter, but this one down here was like friggin', yeah, nothing. That's sort of scary. I just lost that washer, didn't I? That was smart. Alrighty, just do a quick test fit. Make sure the holes are going to line up. Yes, they do. Alright, now I just want to, push comes to shove, I can always just unbend that, chop off a bit of the old one, splice that onto there, wrap it up with some heat shrink, and then, you know, just extend it. Okay, so it's taken 3 pieces of Coke can to get this just right. So now I'll tighten this one in, and then I've got to refix this one in the middle. Because by pivoting it off that first one, we've kind of screwed everything. Yeah, I guess we could test that out, see whether that's gonna do it or not. Alright, just make sure you guys are still filming. Yeah, I've got to be pretty quick because I'm actually running out of space. There we go. It's going. Freaking painful. Just make sure these are I can hear a little buzzing. I know for a fact that means Mr. Mosquito is looking for some blood. I can always come back to this. This is basically just showing you how I'm going to do it. I'll shim it back and forth to find out where it, you know, It sparks, yeah, sparks the nicest. My brain just does not want to work today. But yeah, this is just a basic, you know, show you guys. Hopefully it taught you something. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I'll pause you guys and come back. Right, so like I said, this was just going to be a quick one, basically showing you how I was going to do it and a bit of an update on this. So now that this is sorted, I've got some plans coming up. Hopefully I can use this and show you guys in a bit of timber. I think it'd be cool to, you know, basically cut up some rounds with this thing. But yeah, I was going to show you the spark, but I just realised it will not show up on this camera for some reason. The spark won't show up, but it is blue and it is very strong. So this 272 coil is just going to absolutely shred. So I'm very keen. That was a dumb idea. Anyway, so yeah, I'll do a short sometime during the week. And yeah, we'll see how this thing runs. And right, so that's all done. Yeah. So cheers for watching, guys. I'll do a little update video sometime during the week with this, like running it, showing you that it runs and it runs nicely. And then yeah, we'll do something with it. Take it somewhere, cut up some trees with it, maybe do some rounds, stuff like that, now that I've fixed some of the problems, and hopefully it should run really good. But we'll see. So cheers once again, guys. We hit 105 subscribers actually. It was either last week or the week before, which is, it's climbing, and it's climbing a lot quicker than I thought it would, and that's pretty cool, I can't lie. Yeah, as a hobby channel, I think that's, yeah, like I'm not trying to do anything spectacular here. I'm just having a bit of fun and recording it. So yeah, see what happens. Cheers, guys, and catch you in the next one. Bye.